Hello, this is Mr. Eason, and today I'm going to show you all how to turn in an assignment on Google Classroom. So what I've done is I've set up a pretend class, and I've added myself as a student. So I'm going to show you what that looks like from the student end. It's going to look something like this. Now you all are going to have a lot more than I am. You're going to have one for homeroom. You're going to have one for each of your subject areas. And you're going to even have one for special areas as well, but they're all going to be labeled with the person's name and the color group that you're in, and it's going to say, blue group math, that kind of thing. So you guys should be fine to find where you need to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Mr. Eason's Pretend Classroom because that's the only one I'm in. And so when you're here, you're going to see some things. We're going to ignore this first one for now. We're going to look at this Jacob Eason posted a new assignment, first day of school math. And so this is your assignment or an example of an assignment you might get. And so you're going to click on it and you're going to see this is very important, which I'm glad they show you here. When you're ready to submit all your files, you need to remember to turn it in. We had this issue last year where students would do work and they wouldn't turn it in. And so we would not know if they had done it or not. So make sure you turn in your work. So it says open the Google Doc that's attached and fill in the answers, turn in when finished. Up here, this is where your assignment might be. I will make a Word document or a Google Slides or something else. You're going to click on it. It's going to open it up for you in a new page. And here is the assignment. It even has your name up here. So that will already be on there every time. So if your name is Miss Kersey, it's going to say Miss Kersey up there. If your name is Dr. Owens, it's going to say Dr. Owens up there because it's going to be named with what your name is in Google Classroom. So I'm going to read the questions. What is 2 plus 2? And so you're just going to come down here somewhere and you're going to write 4. And the next thing says list 2 multiplication equations that have an answer of 20. So I'm going to go down another space. I'm going to click, 10 times 2. And then the next one I'm going to choose is 4 times 5. And there are obviously more, but it only says 2 for now, so I just want to make sure I'm done with 2. All right, so that's all I have to do is to answer my questions. Now what I can do here is I can actually click turn in right here if I'd like, and it would turn in the assignment right away. If I don't want to do that, this document saves no matter what. And so what I can do is I can just close the document and it's going to take me right back to this page. And here is my assignment right here. Now, if you watch, I'm going to click on it again. I'm going to show you that the answers are already in there from where I just had it. See, already in there. So you have 2 options. You can click off and turn it in from here with this green turn in button. Or if you're on the document, you can press turn in right up here and either one will turn it in to me. So I'm going to go ahead and do it from here. I'm going to click turn in. And it says turn in your work, turn in. Great. Now there are 2 other things I wanted to show you. One is a private comment. What that means is if you have a question just for me, like I had trouble on question number 3, could you look at it and help me out? And if you type that in this blank right here, that's going to go directly to me and no one else is going to see that. If you had a comment for the class for some reason, you would type it in here. That way everybody in the class could see this comment right here. Okay, so that is how to turn in a Google Classroom assignment. It's very important that you have this unsubmit button listed here when you are finished. That means that I am going to get that assignment from you and then I can give you a grade on it. Okay, this has been Mr. Eason with Google Classroom Help. Have a great day.